Hello and welcome to the first challenge by Omid on this channel. I'm with Omid since quite a while, not quite since inception, but yeah, I'm doing his challenges I think every time. And I have to admit I did this challenge last night because his challenges got posted to a time where it's super cool for me. I'm normally at home and can go to my computer. So I've a challenge inside this challenge. The challenge for myself is to post the first solution for Omid's challenges. And last night this was doable. I posted the solution I think 1 minute after publishing. So yeah, you will see it's a fairly simple challenge, but it's super cool to learn something about XLOOKUP. So we take a look. So here we have a list, a table with prices, different for different dates. So from that date on up until the next date, you need to pay this price. So for example, product A from the 1st of January on up until the 17th of April, you pay $10, 10 euros, and from there on you pay like 15. And we need to find the prices for different dates and product combinations. And now we will first do like a concatenation. So for this table, if you concat, not that one, I think it's, if you concat the product and the prices, you get something this way. So an A and then a number. And as you might know or may know or may not know, with XLOOKUP you can search after multiple criteria. So XLOOKUP multiple criteria search is done with an and sign in between the lookup value and in between the lookup array. So you search for this value in this lookup array and for this value in this lookup array, and it does basically the same. So like doing a concatenation. So you concat, for example, this and this together and search and this on. So yeah, that's quite cool if you know that you can search for multiple criteria inside a filter function, XLOOKUP function. You can also do this cheat sheet. I've created a cheat sheet somewhere. I need to search for it. So here, I've created a cheat sheet for that. It's in German, but you can see you can do for the XLOOKUP or XMatch also. You can do with an AND for multiple criteria, and with the filter function you can do AND or XOR. So you have multiple opportunities here, and as you can see, you concat them. Here it's 3 criteria that needs to be fulfilled in needs to be fulfilled all to gives out some values. So that was the educational part. So let's see what we can do here. So XLOOKUP, we search for the product and the date in, for example, this concatenated thing, and then we will return the price. And now you see there, because it's in like this edgy brackets, there are optional arguments within the XLOOKUP function, and one is, for example, the match mode. So there's exact match, it's like standard setting I think, and then there's exact match on next smaller item, or exact match and next larger item. And as we search for something, for example this date, 21st of February, and B will be like this from the first date on. So we need to search for the exact match or the next smaller item. So either we select this with like the with our keyboard, or we write -1 in there. And as you can see, we've solved the challenge. So it's everything is true. Now we can also do like put this inside our function, so that we have only one function and no other columns. So this was a quite short one. And what you cannot do it in the different order. That's something you need to keep for. This would lead to wrong results, because then it will first search for the date and then for the product. But it's not every time that there is like here that they are the same dates for every product. So this will lead to errors. You need to keep out for the order if you do something with this concatenated search, so multiple XLOOKUP, multiple criteria XLOOKUP. Thank you for your attention. I hope you've learned something regarding XLOOKUP. I can only have one tip: use XLOOKUP for almost everything. I think I use only index match only for 2D, two-dimensional XLOOKUP, two-dimensional lookups. Otherwise, I only use XLOOKUP and never else index match or something ugly like VLOOKUP. Start using XLOOKUP. That's my message for today. Thank you.